Hey everybody, it's Kim, your favorite shopaholic. Yeah, probably gonna be a couple parts to this Temu haul because it's like 4 orders. Kind of came in, boom, boom, boom. So I'm showing them all at once. So let's get started. Okay, $1.99 for each of these. There will be links to my orders below. You can search those orders for these items. So these are small pink buds. And these are red buds. So, like, you couldn't tell that without me telling you anything. Alright. Let's get to the crafty part. So I got this, hopefully you can, I made a picture, or copied a picture. It's a 3D embossing folder with a scene on it. I think I copied 2. Yeah, and then there's one is with the gold. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So it's I don't know why I make copies and then pictures of it, and then I feel the need to show you anyway. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. I don't know if that gives you an idea, but very pretty. So that is that one. And yes, I've been getting stuff off Amazon. Oh my lord. I'm into shop away my dreams here. I'm telling you, I'm just going nuts. Okay. Anywho, 92 cents. I've seen this, and it's just this one, and then do this for wheat. Kids live out in wheat country. So that's kind of fun. And then this is another one of those, what is that, where it's layered. My friend, oh my gosh. Judy. Jeez, I was going to say Joy. Sorry, Judy. I love you. Anyway, she's got me onto these. She sent me a card like this. And she sent me a die like this, too, that I need to use. Okay. Then, oh, I got toddler birthday stuff. And oh my gosh. Let's see. Here's another embossing folder. Well, we're kind of in that realm of just trees. Look pretty. And that was $5.35 at the time I purchased it. What it is. And here they did it with kind of a copper look. Very cool. And then I got this. It's bows on a paper clip. You layer them. $2.06. I'm not that... This is pretty, but I wanted it to cut those layers out. It just embosses them, but it looks like they painted this, which that's a good way to go. So, anyway, $4.18. It's basically an embossing plate. Not basically, it is an embossing plate. Anyway, okay. So I've been looking for this certain one from Coca-Rosa, but I haven't found it, even on their site. $4.47 for... I love these kind of dies. This is really cool. They did Christmas with this. I have some from them already, but you know. And one clue is if you find an item that you know is from a company that you're wanting to get more, look at more of what they have, go to that store on Temu and you might see more of the similar items. So this one is this guy here, $4.47 I think I saw. Yeah. So it's all these pieces, and then you piece it together. It's a quilt type thing. This is gorgeous. Look at this. I like this. And these are each separate. Huh. So this shows what somebody did with it for $5.70. Now these prices change. There's a Christmas one. Here's this one. So when you look at a lot of them were cheaper, which I've gotten the price adjustment. Oh my gosh, here is these little banner or little circles. And that one was $3.10. I think I got the happy birthday stuff that goes with that. Okay, this big dude is a traveler's notebook type thing. And here's a picture of it. Now I paid $11.03, but it is not selling for that anymore. Now it's $6.53, so, you know. Big changes, but pretty cool. I think it's a foldable, yes, like a little cover, and then you have the And look at all the, very nice. And here's the sides to expand it. So there you go. And then, oh, here's what this goes with those circle kind of, what is it? Where is it? Where'd it go? Yep, these go with this. So the seines in here, I have it there for $2.63. Okay. So remember I did Coca-Rosa and I got out all my, because I used to design for them. Don't know why I don't any, they just said they weren't going that route anymore. So I had gotten this big book off of Temu. And I organized a lot of my dies in here with the pictures if I had them. Yeah, someday my kids are going to have to try to get rid of all this stuff. Okay, anywho. So, this worked really well. I had a big thing of it, and it turned out that I could... So I ordered one, but it wasn't... This is not the same size. It's smaller for $3.67. So I just ordered another one. Of course, you know me, I'm ordering like crazy. So same idea, but smaller. I think they're 4x6. So yeah, that's one way to go with that kind of stuff. How to organize all your stuff when you have too much stuff to organize. You know how that is. Anyhow, okay, so Miss Vienna is having a birthday party. Oh my gosh, so I've been going nuts, as I do. I mean, I had boys and they were fun, but they're not as fun as girls' decorations and stuff, just saying. So I got this, Birthday Princess, and then I got today, yes, I went to Hobby Lobby, a foam horn that she could wear as well. And turn it into, or I might just tape a paper one that I cut out. Anyway, so I got this for her birthday party. She loves kitties. She's, of course, the theme is... So I got a matching... This was only like $1.42. I don't remember what... I'm sorry, I'm eating chocolate. How rude. Aren't they cute? But they were... Each of them were under $2. Oh. The necklace was $1.42 and the bracelet was $2.04. I lied. It was 4 cents over $2. And I saw this cute little kitty for $2.35, so I got that. I got her things on Amazon. Oh my gosh, it's so furry. So cute. This little purse, you know, it's got the little zipper there. I think that's fun. $2.35 of fun. I'm gonna put her stuff over here. I got her like 3 pairs of shoes. The little girls just love these dresses. Are these not the prettiest you've ever seen? Oh my gosh. You know, I raised 2 boys, so now, and look at the sole, it's nice. I mean, they only wear them for such a short time, so I got these, I think these were 11 something. Not bad. I saw these, and I got a unicorn, Crocs. I have sandals anyway. These were $6.38. Are they not the cutest? Oh my gosh. I'll have to have her try these shoes on in case I need to send them back. What else did I get for her birthday? Seems like there's more. We'll come across it. Where are we at on time? Okay, not too bad. Oh, I got her this. No, I showed you the bracelet. These little socks. Cute. These were only $1.78. Oh my god. I love my girls. So all 3 of them are going to get these crowns for $3.49. So $1 something a crown. Aren't they pretty? I don't know why. I was out with my friend from Texas, and we went to all these, and this one seller in an antique booth had all these crowns, and I went, you can get those on Temu. So I ordered this one from there, $3.26. I think this will be mine. No, I'll leave it here for the girls to all play with. But this one, these can go to the girlies. There's 3 of them in there. Yeah, I'll be the queen, right? And then I got more of this because one was just not long enough where I'm putting it over above a closet. So I got 2 more of those. I like to start new plants, so these will sit at the top of the cup and help them stand up, not fall in the water. Nothing exciting there. Let's see. I love a new pair of slippers. I think these were like 13, but this kind, these are so nice. And I think they fit. You know, they say a certain size on there, and then it's not, you know, a 40 in one shoe is a 42 in another. I don't know. Anyway, so cushy. Love me some slippies. So I got those. Got a shirt. I don't remember what I paid for the shirt. Nothing to write home about, but... And it's loose enough that I think I can do. It's got some polyester. I think it's a cotton blend. God, come on, Kim. I wore it the other day and it didn't bother me. Today it's windy and raining and cold out, so... Yeah, what is this? Anyway, I just thought this was cute, and it's got the ruching. Is that ruching? Is that what that is? I'm not up on the terminology. Okay, so then I was a little bummed. Oh, before I get to that, I did get 2 bracelets. This was like, the blue one was $1. This one was $1.16, and it's a magnetic clasp. Boy, I was like having a heck of a time. It fits. So, because I was on that, getting those kind of things, you know, if you look in that, then everything pops up in that category. Aren't these pretty? I just love them. And this one was only $3.68, which isn't bad. So just for fun, cheap jewelry. But yeah, come on, Kim. There you go. It's magnetic. So I'm trying to like unclasp it or whatever. Whatever. Anyway, so those, I love these window clings. So I got this one of the hummingbird. Looks like stained glass, but it's not. $1.20. Take Emma to a German-themed town up in the mountains, meeting my kids. And Brian said he'll go with me, so then I have company in the ride home. So that'll be fun tomorrow. It's a fun town. 218, called Leavenworth. Enjoy the little things. This was smaller. No pun intended. It's wood. And yeah, it's not, I don't know how. I don't have a measuring thing here, but it wasn't as big as I was thinking it would be. I got these. I love this look. I have some out in the flower bed, and they're that rusted. And again, out with my friend. This was $5.78 for 2 of these. People were selling these in their booths in the antique malls. So I'm like, oh, and she loves crows. So I was like, oh, they had one that was rusty like that in a crow, and they send me this. I'm like, okay, no. And there's no more of the rusty kind. So I got my money. I have to say, they do not. You take a picture of it, you tell them why you're returning it, and they're good. I'm still going to send it to her, but it's not what she had looked at or wanted, but I'm not into crows, so I'm still sending it to her. We're almost done. Let's keep going, guys. Hang in there. And then for my son's father-in-law, he's a great cook. I'd smoke that. And again, this was at one of the shops. Very good. I saw a t-shirt like this, so I'm going to make it my own. Just for fun. So got that. And, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Car decal with the ladybugs. And it was $1.40. So cute. Oh, that's just the thing, Sean. Okay, that's the whole. All right. I was like, is it only that? No. That's the sticker in the back. Okay, I can do this. And then strawberries, clear back. I had a plan for this. Do you think I can remember what the plan is? Nope. $1.11. Well, I mean, I swear to God, I can walk into a room and go, did you guys do that? It's my exercise plan. Walking around trying to remember why I came there. Back at work, it was a really good, because it was a long way to go to the office and then forget. I think these were like 5 something, and I don't know why I need, but it came with all of these. It's for cleaning fans. I stuck it down my dryer vent. So I got enough to share with family, I think, there. Okay. Now I'm going to get done with this and go, oops. I mean, I did get nails. I don't know if you guys really care about seeing nails, but I don't know. So these pretty little ones, a little light pink, sparkly. Pretty small, though. $1.27. I think if I looked back at my orders, I have a set of those. And then these. Nothing too exciting. These look like some Halloween tape. I like these. These may be the next ones I do. I mean, I like these, but I'm kind of not as into the printed ones as I used to be. So, kind of, you know, I've got enough to make choices. Oh, and then I got each of my other girls a necklace too, because you know it's kind of hard to watch Vienna get everything. So they'll have some little goodies there too, some crowns, all that stuff. All right, you guys, take care. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll be back with more hauls, because you know what? I'm your shopaholic friend. All right, take care. Bye.